All right, hi guys. So today I want to show you how to set up Google Search Console and Google Analytics for your website. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create your Google account. So I'm doing this for a client. I'm just creating the person's Google account, and so it has to be something that's applicable to the website. All right, so now we have set up our Gmail account, and so now we want to go to Google Analytics. Okay, so you click the button that says sign up, and it asks you these questions. So we're tracking a website. So for the account name, I'm just putting the name of the website, website name, same thing. Then the website URL. Okay, and then industry category, this is beauty and fitness. You want to put your time zone, so we're in the US in New York. And what else? So now we're going to get our tracking ID. Okay. So here's our tracking ID. Here is our site tag. So I'm going to use this information right here and paste the code into a plugin. So I'm going to now go back to my website, and I'm going to go to plugins. Now I'm in the dashboard of WordPress. So let's upload, whoops, plugin. You know what I have to do? Add new. So we're going to put insert headers and footers. I think that's, yeah. Okay, so then you're going to click install. Activate. All right, so now let's see. We go to our settings, go to insert headers and footers, and we're going to just simply paste the script that we have in analytics into the header and save. Okay, let's take a look. Got it. Yeah, so it looks like, let's take a look. It looks like it's connected because, as you notice, it's going to say one active user, which is me. Here I am, signed in. So perfect. Okay, so now we are going to set up Google Search Console. So you want to be in your WordPress dashboard, and you want to also have Yoast installed. So you're going to go to Yoast, go to General. So we are going to need to configure Yoast and use the configuration wizard because I just installed it. My site is live and ready to be indexed. Let's see, a small offline business, a blog, an online shop. It's more like a small offline business. Organization. It's the name of the website. So for everybody, it's going to be different the way that you set it up, but and you can always go back and make changes. I'm going to be adding, like, you know, all of the social media accounts at another time. Right now, we're just trying to, you know, set up the Google Search Console. Okay, let's just leave this. Next. I usually use this for the title separator, but that's just you know your own personal preference. No. Okay, so let's close this. Now we want to go to Webmaster Tools. And we want to get your Google verification code in Google Search Console. So you just click on that. Okay, you're going to enter your information, your password. Okay, so what are we going to do? I'm going to use an HTML tag. So what you're going to do is you literally just copy the meta tag and you paste it into the settings area where it says Google verification code. Just paste it there. And now you hit Save Changes. Then you can hit Verify. Okay, success. So perfect. So now we can use